Percussions.
Alright man, today we're gonna make Ratatouille from PIXAR Animation Studios movie Ratatouille. I got eggplant, peppers, tomatoes, zucchini, garlic, onion, and you need 3 types of herbs. You need parsley, rosemary, and thyme. This is my first time doing Ratatouille, so fingers crossed. I think the first thing you can do is you gotta roast these so that they will like peel off. Let's go with that first. Toast these peppers. Don't worry about it burning. It's meant to do that. You want to get the smoky flavor into those peppers. So you take these peppers that look like they've been through hell, put it in a bowl, and cover it up with aluminum foil. You gotta let it cook inside. Let it cook inside. Now we're gonna blanch our tomatoes. You need 6 Roma tomatoes in total, but you keep 3 across the edges. Just cross these tomatoes. Tomatoes. While waiting for this to boil, get like ice water. Water is boiling, put the tomatoes in there. Real quick, 30 seconds. Put it around a little bit. Tomatoes put it aside. Put it in the ice water, don't let it overcook. You gotta cut up the vegetables yourself because you don't have a fucking blender. I'm gonna do half an onion. Tomatoes, the really freaking hot peppers. I'm gonna shred the peppers like this. Are steamed peppers in its own skin. But de-seed them. Excuse me, onions and garlic. Cut off the end. Wow, there's a lot of juice. Oh, there's a baby in there. Oh my god. Jesus. Okay, you got your peppers here. Softness, smokiness. So we go for, man. I'm gonna blend all this, so you gotta cut up your tomatoes as well. Chop these motherfuckers up. Pan, oil. Alright, get that coated. It's hot enough. Take the tomatoes, the peppers, the onions, and the garlic and just cook up the stove. Parsley goes in, heat after you turned off the fire. You can put water or you can put a bit of chicken stock, get it going. This is your base. Gotta slowly puree this shit. Please don't spill, please don't spill, please don't spill. Bit more salt. Use the pan, pour that mixture at the bottom. You gotta peel the tomatoes you blanched. Okay, it's a start. Okay, the tomatoes one side. Cut this one up. Zucchini. I think 1 is good enough for rosemary and maybe like 5 branches of thyme. I'm gonna coat the pan so you don't need too much. Right, take the thyme, sprinkle all over the sauce. The fun or not so fun part, I don't know. Oh man. This looks kind of shite. All it falls on top. Rosemary you cut on top. Pepper, salt. But my mom has this parchment paper. Oh fuck. Got some French bread. Just butter this shit up. Alright. Salt, pepper. You can just put it in the regular oven now, but you know, since I have this, why not, right? Woo. But it's not gonna be the PIXAR Ratatouille without the presentation of that, so wish me luck. I don't have the metal thing, I'm gonna use this. This is so delicate as fuck. This is really fucking hot, so I'm just gonna wing it at this point. Wow, not bad lah.
You should eat it.
Just break it apart. Not worth making again.
I think it's too much effort.
For the effort, I think I should have made like Parmesan pasta or whatever. But this sauce is pretty good.
It works well with pasta.
Yeah, right? Comment, like, subscribe, man.
I check it out one time.